Hi guys, hope you had a great week. Hope you enjoyed last week's video. Thanks for everybody who watched it and who subscribed. I hope you did pop over and check out Mark's Chisels. You know, good value for money. I really do think they are. So you know, get a chance, pop over and have a look. This week I've made a pine cone blank. It's like a yellow colour resin with a pine cone set into it, and I thought what I'd do is I would make a like egg shape for the pine cone, then possibly a base for it to sit on. So yeah, that's my project for this week. So let's get it in the lathe and see what we can do. Right, I've got my rough shape, so what I'll do now is I'll finish polishing it up and then I'll flip it over. Right, we flip it over. there you go guys, all done. As you see from the video, I had to cast it in 2 pieces so you can just see the joint liner, but to be honest I'm not too worried about it. I'm going to try a different method next time, hopefully get it cast in 1 piece. So yeah, I put a pine cone into an amber resin, obviously cured it, turned into this egg shape. I was going to turn it into a paperweight, but I changed my mind because I thought that might take the bottom of the cone out. So what I decided to do, I had a piece of burwood, so I decided to make a little burwood base for it, which I think just sets it off really. So it's just, all I've done with the burwood is just basically waxed it, put a piece of felt on the bottom just to finish it off. So yeah, a nice little ornamental piece. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me. I've got some other ornamental pieces in mind that I want to do, and if you guys want to see me do them, just comment and let me know, because I don't want to bore you at all. So you know, let us know, and I'll see what I can do. Any suggestions you guys have got for projects that you want me to have a go at, then let me know, because I'm always looking for suggestions, because it's quite hard to think of something for every week. But I've got a few things in the pipeline, but obviously for future reference. So yeah, if you want to see me make more things like this, then let us know. I hope you liked it, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, could you please like, and also please share with friends, family who you think might be interested, because obviously I'm trying to get the word out there. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. To all the subscribers who's followed me from day one, I really appreciate you following me, and I hope the content is still good and keeps you entertained. So you know, the support is overwhelming, and I appreciate that everybody who supports me. So that's it for this week. I've got a fresh new project for next week. So what I'll do guys is I'll see you next week. Have a great weekend and take care.